Now, with the rise in fuel prices, there's no better time to get into a car with excellent miles per gallon, such as this fantastic Kia Stonic. Covered in this asphalt grey and key lime green, looks absolutely fantastic. Not to mention those fantastic 18-inch diamond cut design alloys just tops off that car a little bit more. Now, as we take a look inside, again, a load of key features worth noting down. We have got our fantastic full leather mixed material seats with that fantastic ivory and also pitted black leather, as well as a fully virtual infotainment screen and semi-virtual cockpit. Now, as I say, this car achieving up to 64 miles per gallon with a tank that'll cost you around about £70 to fill up. There's no better car, especially with the rise in fuel fares, than this fantastic Kia Stonic. So get in contact with us here at Auto Choice and we're more than happy to help you out.